Do you think
Absolutely
Animal was a classic example of this?
Oh my god!
Huh?
Don't ask me controversial questions.
Controversial guess. I'm not talking about the
Okay.
women-men scene in there. I'm talking
Sure.
about father-son relationship.
Yeah, that's a very real thing. That's a very good example, actually. It's a very good example.
So Animal May, you think the father was the narcissistic person. Okay. And son was this, was a symptom, so there was a cause and the effect of that cause was the
Literally.
son.
And the son goes out of his way to constantly get validation that he
From father.
exists. He's a broken person. Not to validate the movie or the film, but ये चीजें होती है.
Ah.
And it's very unfortunate that, people will go to any extent and not see what is in front of them. Today, when you are reprogramming yourself, you require to surround yourself with people who are able to show you the real picture. I tell everybody, like whoever's working on their mental health, I tell them, you need a village. तुम मेरे पास आते हो, तुम एक घंटा बैठते हो. You understand what I'm saying. You're an intelligent person. Sure, you might go out, you might change certain things, right? While that might be right, you also need to surround yourself because I am not enough for you.
24/7, you need something better.
You require someone not always around, but you require a good support system. And this is the beauty of India. I really love India for this, and I love the collectivistic culture for this. That we have so much support system here. तुम देखोगे तुम्हें मिलेगा. While there is a epidemic of loneliness, but if you look, you will find. It takes time. But you need to figure out who do you want in this village of yours. कौन है तुम्हारे friends? Who are your new adopted parents? We talk constantly about, kids getting adopted. Adopt parents. Why not? Again, it's a very different thought process, okay? And it requires a lot of work. No, my parents will always be my parents. Sure, they will. But have they done anything that they are at that darja? Education diya, roti, kapda, makan. We're all grateful for it. But look what they've taken.
Yeah.
So you require people to have... That is why they will isolate you. Narcissistic people, narcissistic parents, spouses, you will see there are lots of instances where all of a sudden a friend disappears. शादी हो गई, disappear हो गए. क्या हुआ पता नहीं. 1 year later, this person resurfaces. Man, woman, whatever, doesn't matter. This individual resurfaces and says, oh yeah, I've really been at home. क्या हो रहा है घर पे? No, he really loves me. He's really protective. You did not just say that.
क्यों गलत क्या है इसमें? I know what galat is. I want
You
it-
know,
I
right?
want it from you. Yeah.
Because these are the beautiful toxic dialogues that we thrive on. बहुत protective है ना? उससे बहुत प्यार करता है. अच्छा, okay, fine, all right. What is that on your arm? Oh, it's a bruise. मैं गिर गई थी. Oh, is it? All right. Okay. But you know what's happening.
You can make it out.
You can make out.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.